It's the battle of the headband wigs. Yeah. Hey, what's up, y'all? So today is the battle of the wigs, period. Packaging and everything. I like the box, and I like the, you know, the little Ziploc thing. So let's get into it with the Klaiyi hair first. I'm gonna just call it Klaiyi because I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce these wig company names. I just don't. I don't know. Okay, first of all, the Ziploc done broke already. So that's a point. That's a point off. But she comes with a wig cap. Much appreciated, because some of them don't. Some companies don't put no wig cap in there. I like the little, you know, whatever right there. They gave me one headband. I already got this headband, but it's nice. And it's full and thick. It ain't one of those ones that you gotta roll the band up of the wig and try to make it fit. This one covers the whole black band. So that's appreciated. Okay. And yeah, I don't know why they got that in there. And it's always one hiding in there. Oh, I like this one too though. It's cheetah print. Nicely packaged. Okay, so this is a bob, and we're gonna see how she fits. So let's put on the wig cap. Try to use everything that came with it. This one is a little too, no, it's okay for my skin complexion, but it comes with two. That's appreciated. Because I can use that one. Okay, and so let's do our edges real quick. Yeah, this edge brush been through it, I'm trying to tell you. And my true edge is almost gone. I love this stuff, but it does turn white after a couple days. But on that first day, honey, edges is gonna be, oh my God. Oh, I thought it landed on my lashes. But on the first day, it is gonna be laid. And it smells real good. It's the purple kind, so it smells like grape candy or whatever. It smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna hurry up and try to hurry up and do this, because it be taking me forever to do my edges. Like, child, they're not trying to cooperate today. They're not cooperating today. They're trying to act up and embarrass me on camera. Like, come on. Swoop, little swoop. Oh my gosh. You know what? I don't got time to play with y'all today. I don't. And then the back of the wig always comes with like little hairs. Like, who is y'all trying to fool back here? I need all that to be down there with the rest of the hair. So inside of here is 3 combs in the front and 1 at the bottom. It ain't no comb in the inside, like in the middle. So yeah. And I've learned that the smaller, the shorter the hair, the smaller the cap size will be. But this one fits pretty good. It's pretty large. I've just noticed that with the curly ones. Okay, hold on, y'all. Trying to make sure I ain't got no hair in this band. Okay. And them little hairs back there is like all in the way. I don't know. Making up a point for that. Okay. 10 years later, we got her on. I would flat iron her, but we trying to go with convenience here. Quickness. You hear me? So let's try on the cheetah print first. Okay. Oh, y'all be trying so hard not to mess up my makeup. Okay. Walmart, they kind of dusty. But it's okay. Period. I'm gonna take me a picture with this. I gotta change into my little black dress or whatever. Oh, I like it. I can wear this to work and not be irritated, y'all. Nothing on my shoulders. Light, flowy. I could have braided my braids a little smaller, so I won't have that hump in my head, but it's whatever. I like it. Hey, my name is Asia. How are you? Okay, goes with my little white voice and shit. All right, I like this. So, overall, I'm going to give you, for the packaging, it was okay. Probably like a 7 out of 10. 7, 8 out of 10. And for this hair, I'm gonna give her a 9 out of 10. Because the back, y'all need to work on that. I know it's a little short wig or whatever. That might be the reason. I'm gonna let y'all slide. I'm gonna give y'all 9 out of 10. Because she is cute. Okay? Period. I'm feeling it. Real flowy, real airy, real light, real on the go with the quickness, honey. And these headbands are really thick. You see how it covers everything? You ain't got to fold the headband in or nothing like that. Just put your headband on and go. I like it. I like it a lot. You don't even have to show a lot of edges with this. If you team thin edges, you don't have to show a lot of edges. And then my last video, I also showed you guys the Murray's beeswax in black. It's literally black. So when you do your edges, it'll give the illusion of fuller edges. So yeah, it's a win-win. I love this wig. Just gonna braid my hair a little flatter next time, but I think it looks pretty normal still with a little, ooh. Didn't even have to flatten it or nothing. All right, y'all, let's move on to the next wig. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. We're gonna take her off and let's try on our contestants. Woo! It's hot up in here. Lord Jesus, my wall just need to be redone. Don't pay attention. Don't look over there. All right, so let's get into her. Okay, easy access. Okay, I think I still got some hair on my neck. Okay, so here's what comes in the box. The hair, of course. Aw, I can use these for my baby girl because I will not be wearing these. Let's see, is that too bright, y'all? These little cute little things. They give me a black wig cap. It also comes with the instructions on how to wash it, the length, and information about it. And also, congratulations, you win the prize. Please scrape it out to see your winning level. So I guess I gotta scratch this off. Second prize. It says second prize up there. So what's the second prize? So I guess we have to email them second prize in the picture of this, and we get another prize sent to us. But this is just saying that it's 100% virgin human hair, color, dye, bleach, perm safe, and it just has the all Brazilian hair, stay healthy after bleach, perfect color treatment, perfect perm treatment, full cuticle longevity, 100% virgin human hair. So they get an A+ for their packaging. It came with more things than the other company. And the bag just says 14 inches. This is a curly unit. I should have did curly versus curly, but you know, we just went in with what we had. This is just to keep everything fresh. This A1 with the packaging, okay? So most of the wigs are packaged like this with the net around it and the wrapping paper, whatever you want to call this, in the inside. And like I said, most of the time, headband wigs will have 3 at the top. This one has a 1 in the middle, so it's already up 1 against that one, up 2 because the packaging, and 1 at the bottom. So this one has 3, 4, 5 combs. That one only have 4 combs. So far, it's winning. This one does have a little bit of a smell, not too strong though, but that one, let me see if it had a smell. No, this one actually smells good. So there's 1 point off for that. 1 point off for this smell because it doesn't smell as good as that one. That one smells good. This one smells like factory, like, I don't know how to explain it, but it doesn't smell good. All right, let's throw her on. I'm not going to use that headband. I'm not going to use that wig cap. I'm talking about headband, girl. I just been doing so many headband reviews. It's not even funny. Okay. It's giving me Shirley Temple. All right, let me flip my head over. And most of the times I don't even do the combs because they be hurting my head. So, and y'all don't pay attention to my edges because they've been showing out. This whole video, they've been showing their ass. Okay. Anyway, they're really showing out today. Like, usually they be acting right. Today when I get in front of the camera, y'all want to show y'all butt. It's okay. It's okay. So, where the headbands at? You ain't coming no headbands? What? A headband wig that came with no headbands? Okay. Am I tripping? Am I tripping? They ain't coming no headbands. Ew, what the fuck? Okay, so I'm gonna use one of theirs. That's a point off. And I'm just gonna fluff the curls out. Cause these curls is already, you know. They already like that. I'm getting no shedding. This one piece just fell. Oh, I like this. I like big curly hair now, yes. But seriously, it came with no headbands. A headband wig. Came with no headbands. What the freak? What the freak? I'm just gonna use this one that I got from that other wig. That is really crazy. Or am I tripping? Did y'all see a headband in there when I was unboxing that? I'm gonna have to run the clip back. Ain't no way. A headband wig came with no headbands. That's a never seen before moment. Like, this is a real natural, you feel me, curly fro. Okay? Vibes. I love big hair. Big hair don't care, and it ain't my hair. Like, my hair is under here protected, honey. Okay? Period. Yes. Yes. So for the hair, it's gonna be a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna say a 9.5 out of 10 because of the smell. And because I ain't get no headbands. I got to run the clip back because I can't. It's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. But besides that, this hair is giving. It's giving, honey. And if I was on product on it, it's really gonna be giving, okay? It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. Okay. Period. So, I would have to say the winner is ding, 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 and ding. Here's the winner. Yes, you guys, I have to go back and see what hair company this is because they don't even have. Oh, Ubuty. It's Ubuty. Ubuty. Ubuty came with the, bruh, Ubuty? Besides the no headbands and a little bit of smell, A1. Everything about it. It's just A1. I love it. Yeah, I love it. I love this. I love this. I don't know if it's because I'm a natural curly girl or what, but curly hair does something to me. Like, it really does. And if my baby hair would just cooperate today, I would definitely be feeling myself. Like, no questions about it. I'm about to go to the bathroom and fix this because ain't no way. Ain't no way it's acting like this. You know what? I'm going to leave it alone. Girl, it's giving. Let me get out this camera screen, y'all, take some pictures. Anyway, if y'all enjoyed this video, the verses, you feel me? Headband versus a headband, you know, the companies or whatever, the packaging, the hair, the smell down to the combs. You feel me? If y'all want more of these videos comparing, you know, headband wigs, let me know. Like this video, okay? Subscribe to the family. Period. Okay, let me get off the screen, y'all. Her name is Tattoo Curls, and peace.